Good morning, students. In a previous video, we have seen types of nitrogen fixation. In this lecture, we are going to see symbiotic nitrogen fixation by a rhizobium. Let's see symbiotic nitrogen fixation by a rhizobium. What are the small knob-like structure or protuberance at a root nodules are the form? That is simple. Rhizobium enters in a root and create the infection due to which root nodule forms in a root. Size and the shape are the varies from the plants to plants of a root nodules. It is spherical, flat, finger-like or elongated from the pin head 1 centimeter in a size. Various species of rhizobium are noted to perform a symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Name after the host plant. Pea plant Rhizobium leguminosarum. Bean plant Rhizobium fascioli. Soybean plant Rhizobium japonicum. Lupins plant Rhizobium lupini. That are the simple leguminous plant and that Rhizobium species found in a root nodules. Two types of Rhizobium. Brady, uh, Bradyrhizobium slow growing species and the Rhizobium that are the fast growing species. What is Rhizobium? Rhizobium is a gram negative bacteria which having a non-spore forming structure. Microaerobic, they show the degree of specificity. The two partner bacteria and a host recognized by the chemical substance that is known as the lectin or the phytoglutinins. Carbohydrates containing the plant protein, that are the simple characters are given here of a rhizobium. Formulation of a root nodules in a legume. Okay, no root nodule formed due to the infection of a rhizobium. Free living bacteria growing near the root legumes unable to fix in a free nitrogen condition. Roots of the legumes secrete the some growth factors which helps to fast multiplication of bacteria in Pisum sativum and secrete homoserine, also carbohydrate containing protein lectin over their surface. We have not that the nitrogen the nitrogen are present in a soil that cannot absorb by the root or the plant. For that purpose, the bacteria get enter in a root, and that bacteria get a shelter in a root, and bacteria having the ability to fix that nitrogen into root into ammonia. This help recognition attachment of a rhizobial cell have a carbohydrate receptor on their surface. Lectin interact with the carbohydrate receptor of a rhizobial cell occur between the root hairs and the young root hairs. Bacteria enter in a root through a soft infected root hairs. The tips are deformed and the curve. Tabular infection thread is a form in the root hair cell, and the bacteria enters into it. Let's see what are the simple mechanism of root nodule formation. First, there are in first diagram there is a structure of root in a soil. There are given there are epidermal cell. Beside the epidermal there is soil particle, root hair nucleus, root hair cortical cell, and the bacteria. Near the root hairs there are the some bacteria of rhizobium are present. Okay, root hair bacteria are present. the effect of a root here, the effect of bacteria on root here become a curve. Why root here become a curve? That strains get a react with the root hairs, due to which a root hair become a curve, and the bacteria enters in that root hair, and tubular infection thread enters into root hair via root. Okay, epidermal cortical parenchyma diploid cell infection threads enter into the root hairs into the root. Then endodermis and pericycle of a steel cortex till root nodules. Then after entering in a root, that strains become a multiply and increasing their size, because that large structure are the form that is known as a root nodules. Epidermal cortical parenchyma, young nodules, infection threads, curl, root hairs, tetra, tetraploid cells, diploid cells, a boundary of stimulated area, that are the form. After the entry of a new cell wall form, the tubular infection contain mucopolysaccharide where the bacteria embedded and start a multiplication. It grows much and reaches the inner layer of a cortex, and the bacteria is released. It induces the cortical cell to multiply, which results the formation of nodules on the surface. The bacterial cell multiplies and the colonies in the multiplying host cell. After the host cell are completely filled with the bacterial cell. After the host cell completely filled with the bacterial cell, the dormant bacteroid lego- legomoglobin reddish pigment in a cytoplasm of a host cell, efficient of the O2 scavenger, maintain the steady state of oxygen and stimulate the ATP production. The present study indicates that legomoglobin is not essential. Nitrogenous compound synthesis is translocated through a vascular tissue. The group of rhizobia surrounded by the double membrane. It is originated from the host cell wall and the bacteria like the firm wall. Let's see biochemistry of a nitrogen fixation. What are the biochemistry? Basic requirement of nitrogen fixation, that are the nitrogenase and the hydrogenase enzyme. Protective mechanism against the oxygen, there is a ferredoxin. Hydrogen releases the system or electron donor. Constant supply of ATP, coenzyme cofactor TPP, CoA, inorganic phosphate, Mg2 plus, cobalt, molybdenum, a carbon compound. That are the chemical compound required for the nitrogen fixation. Let's see what are the nitrogenase enzyme. It play key role in a active in a anaerobic condition. Okay, what are nitrogenase enzyme? I will explain it. Before that, we have know the which are the enzyme or the chemical component present in a nitrogen fixation. First, it is the nitrogenase enzyme. They are anaerobic condition, okay, and play key role. They are the made up of two protein, non-heme protein and the iron molybdenum protein. Okay, that is a fa protein and a fa protein and MOFE protein, denitrogen reductase and denitrogenase. That are the two enzyme complex that is known as a nitrogenase. Fe protein react with ATP and reduces the second subunit, which ultimately reduces the N2 into NH3. N2 plus 4H plus C, it gives to 2NH3. In this way, nitrogen are the fixes. It is made up of two unit. Okay, nitrogenase enzyme, Fa protein and MOFE protein. The reduction of N2 into NH3 require 6 proton and 6 electron. 12 molecules of ATP, one pair of electron require 4 ATP. The modified equation 8 N2 plus 8 H plus electron, 8 proton, it gives to 2 NH3 and 1 H2. Hydrogen produces the catalyze into proton electron by hydrogenase enzyme. H2 plus H2 gives to 2 proton and 2 electron. Nitrogenase complex. How it works? Let's see. Biological nitrogen fixation is carried out highly conserved complex protein that is called as a nitrogenase complex, which are mainly consist two important proteins, Fe proteins and MOFE protein. Structure: dinitrogenase reductase dimer are the two identical subunits that contain 4Fe and the 4S redox center bound between the subunit. These can be oxidized and reduced by a 1 electron. Also, it has a two binding site for ATP and ADP. Denitrogenase is a tetramer which with two copies of two different subunit alpha 2 and the beta 2 heterodimers that consist that contain both iron and the molybdenum. It is a redox concrete 2MO 2MO32 Fe and 30S per tetramer and has a two binding site for the reductase. About the half of iron and the sulfur is present. Two bridge pair of a 4Fe and the 4S is called as a P cluster. P cluster consists 4Fe and 4S. The cluster linked through the additional sulfate ion. That are the chemistry of a nitrogenase enzyme. The biological nitrogen fixation that produces the ammonia from the molecular nitrogen. How it produces? Let's see. Nitrogen react with the 8 electron plus 8 hydrogen ATP, 8 hydrogen in presence of ATP that gives to NH3 H2O 16 ADP and the 16 pi. Note that the reduction of N2 to 2NH3 is a 6 electron transfer, and the couple to the reduction of the 2 proton to evolve H2. Okay, the reaction is catalyzed by the nitrogenase enzyme complex. It can be separated in two components, Fe protein and MOFE protein, neither which has a catalytic activity by itself. Ferredoxin reduces the Fe proteins. Let's see ferredoxin. What is the ferredoxin? How it reduces the Fe protein? Binding the hydrolysis of ATP to the Fe proteins throughout the cause the co-informational changes of a Fe protein that facilitate the redox reaction. The Fe protein reduces the MOFE proteins and the MOFE protein that reduces the N2. MOFE protein can reduces the many substrate. Also, the natural condition of MOFE only react with the N2 and the H plus. Let's see what are the Fe proteins and what are the MOFE proteins. Let's see ferredoxin red and the ferredoxin oxidase. That means ferredoxin oxidation and ferredoxin reduction. Product 2NH3 N2 8 plus H substrate into the product. In presence of the ATP is converted into ADP. That are the actual mechanism of the nitrogen enzyme. Let's see Fe protein, that are the first subunit of a nitrogenase enzyme. Okay, and the second are the molybdenum Fe protein, that are the second substrate complex of a nitrogenase enzyme. Okay, with the that in presence of that enzyme, that nitrogen plus 8 hydrogen ion, that means 8 hydrogen means 8 proton, that are the converted into 2 NH3 plus H2 in presence of a 60 ATP is converted into 60 ADP and the 60 pi. Reaction catalyzed by the nitrogen N2 to NH3, N2O to N2H2O, N3 to N2NH3, C2H2, C2H4, C plus, CH plus H2 ATP and ATP pi. That are the reaction controlled by the nitrogenase enzyme. Let's see what are the symbiotic nitrogen fixation are take place. Rhizobium lives in root hairs of the legume by the forming the nodules. Plant roots supply the essential minerals and the newly synthesized substance to the bacteria. The rhizobium was established by the Frank in 1889. This genus has a 7 distinct species based on the cross-inoculation group concept. More than 20 cross-inoculation groups have been established. A new classification has established for rhizobium, that are the slow-growing rhizobium, that is the brady rhizobiums, and other are the fast-growing rhizobium, that are the rhizobium. Rhizobium can fix to 50 to 30 kg hectare nitrogen. What are the steps? Root nodules forms due to infection of a rhizobium free living bacteria growing near the root legume that fix the nitrogen in a free condition. Root of a legume secrete the growth factors which helps in a fast multiplication of a bacteria. For example, Pisum sativum secrete the homoserine, also carbohydrate containing protein, lectin over their surface. Rhizobia chemotactically attached to the root hairs mediated by the lectin. Some attached to the root hair cell wall. Tryptophan is a component of the root hairs exudate. Tryptophan are transformed by the rhizobia to the indole acetic acid. This is a plant hormone causes the root hair curl or the branches around the attached to the rhizobia. Let's see steps. First steps of this nitrogen fixation by the rhizobia, that are the attraction and the multiplication of a rhizobia. Interaction between the rhizobium and the legume is the flavonoid are secreted by the root hair. Okay, that are the first character attraction of a rhizobium. At the root there are the flavonoid are produced and that's secreted by the legume plant. That means rhizobium produce a flavonoid and that are secreted by the legume plant, because that root hairs become attracted to the rhizobium. Then attachment to the surface. Exopolysaccharide are produced by the rhizobium, interact with the lectin produced from the plant, and the exopolysaccharide helps to bind the rhizobium cells to the root hairs. Okay, root hair become curls. Rhizobium produce IA, indole acetic acid. The curling of root hairs is the attributed to the IA. Therefore, the rhizobia become enclosed with the root hair walls and the root hair become a curling, and the structure is called a spear crook. And formation of infection thread. Infection thread it originated from the tip of a curl portion of root hairs cells. It is a tubular structure that carries the rhizobia from the root surface to the root cortex, the nucleus of a root hair cell that guide the pathway of a infection thread into the root hair. Nodule formation. Infection threads enters into beyond of a root hair cell and the penetrate the cortex cell. On the entry of a cortical cell, infection threads branches rhizobia release shortly into cortical cell, and the concurrent of the invasion of a rhizobia, there occur a rapid burst of a cell division, and the host cell of a rhizobia changes their shape to form a cell is called as a bacteroid, and their diploid cell. There are the actual process. First, bacteroid or the bacteria produces the flavonoid near the root that are the secreted by the root, and that produces the exopolysaccharide, and the exopolysaccharide and the IA, due to which root hairs become a curl, due to which root that bacteria enters in a root hairs and create their own structure and develop their cell division, due to which enlarged structure are the form in root, and that enlarged structure that is known as a root nodules. Okay, there are the also flow chart are given. First, root hairs root hair nodes with the root hair system. Second, third point, free living bacteria rhizobia are present. The root hairs are the begins curling formation of an infection thread through which a rhizobia enters in the root hairs. Then six number, the thread is spread in an adjacent cell, and the bacteroid are released from the infection thread, and the bacteroid are the form inside of bacteroid. Their growth will be formed and the root nodule will be produced. That are the different type of mechanism are given. Let's see here also one of the mechanism are given. You can see symbiotic nitrogen fixation. The atmospheric nitrogen or the free nitrogen is fixed into ammonia in the nodule. Leguminous plant like pea, bean, groundnut, black gram, etc. are the fix the nitrogen by the bacteria such as rhizobium. The whole process is catalyzed by enzyme nitrogenase. The energy required for that process, that are 60 ATP, are supplied through the respiration H plus ion from the process of photosynthesis. Let's see the example. Nitrogen plus 8 hydrogen plus 8 electron plus 60 mg ATP, nitrogenase enzyme NH3H2 and the 60 mg ADP are the form. That are the special mechanism through which ammonia is formed from the ammonia amino acid, and that are the useful for the plants. Okay, that are the overall nitrogen fixation by the symbiotic or the by the rhizobium. This question asked in the exam 1 marks, 2 marks, 5 marks or the 10 marks. Thank you.